Bronchitis, sometimes referred to as a chest cold, occurs when the airways in your lungs are inflamed and make too much mucus. There are two basic types of bronchitis. Acute bronchitis is more common and usually is caused by a viral infection. Acute bronchitis may also be called a chest cold. Episodes of acute bronchitis can be related to and made worse by smoking. This type of bronchitis is often described as being worse than a regular cold but not as bad as pneumonia. Chronic bronchitis is a cough that persists for 2 to 3 months each year, for at least 2 years. Smoking is the most common cause of chronic bronchitis. A cough or bronchitis is manifested with persistent dry, or a wet cough, and usually lasts from several days to 3 weeks. It can affect both adults and young regardless of their age. We will present you an incredible remedy, which is not only completely natural, but is extremely effective. Just follow the instructions. Recipe. Needed ingredients: 250 milliliters milk, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 egg yolk. Directions. First, you should boil the milk and let it cool for a while. Add the butter and the honey, and make sure to stir well. Then, add the baking soda and the egg yolk and stir well again. Your remedy is ready. Take this remedy for 5 days before going to bed in order to get the best results. Excellent natural remedy for expelling phlegm. Needed ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons water. Mix all the ingredients and consume this remedy 2 times a day, half in the morning and a half in the evening.